Ah, so today I pulled the world card in the upright position. The world card speaks of fulfillment of desires and embarking on a new journey and new horizons. The thing about the world card is that you whatever desires that you have internally, they're now showing up in your external world. And one could say that you manifested the results or your desires into real life. And the beauty of that is we need to remember that we are always in control of our desires and of our world. We are the creators of our world. So remember that whenever you wish to have something specific in your life, just think about the world card and how you can manifest it and bring your desires to fruition.